Solve and graph each solution set. We have the absolute value of negative 5t minus 3 is greater than or equal to 10. Now we have a symbol greater than or equal to. When we have an absolute value greater than or equal to a number, this can be written as two separate inequalities joined by the word or, in other words, a disjunction. We can say that negative 5t minus 3 is less than or equal to negative 10, or negative 5t minus 3 is greater than or equal to 10. Solving, we add 3 to both sides and we get negative 5t is less than or equal to negative 7. Dividing both sides by negative 5, we have t is greater than or equal to 7/5. And I had to change the direction of the inequality symbol. Working over here, adding 3 to both sides gives me negative 5t is greater than or equal to 13. Dividing both sides by negative 5, I have t is less than or equal to negative 13/5. And these are both joined by the word or. So to graph these, I graph the set of all numbers that are greater than or equal to 7/5 and shade that in. And then the set of all numbers that are less than or equal to negative 13/5. Again, using a bracket and shade that section in the number line. So the solution set written in set builder notation is the set of all t such that, and I'll write this part first, t is less than or equal to negative 13/5, or t is greater than or equal to 7/5. Or I can also write that in interval notation as the interval from negative infinity to negative 13/5 union the interval from 7/5 to infinity.